Hey there! You're watching Nick Jr. Ba ba ba! And today, I'm going to the painting with the nosy one. And I hope it is the Great Dinosaur Rescue. Everyone, there she is! You see that? Everything is beautiful there. Where discoveries begin now. Hey, do not open the door, please. One word crying. Let's watch Sesame Street on Nick Jr. video. Ba ba ba.
Power Crunch Protein Crisps. The high protein.
John, when we go outside.
Friend! And today, I'm going to take a picture one of my CP Beauty camera video. So when I cut the tree, take the picture, and then you say these. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
They live underneath the.
Wow, this is a good one.
But the front ones are.
1, 2, 3.
I had a bag of lime. I just put it on the board to keep.
Wow.
Yeah, they got it. And
That's a good one. And now, keep your watching Nick Jr. video. Ba ba ba. Hey there, she's here. And today I'm gonna be trying to the Grimace's birthday. And on the moment you could be watching the monster on McDonald's Red Rock. And now, let's take a look at the milkshake.
it's not.
That's big.